I think it's an honour to be able to deliver this work and be able to see people prosper from it. So I just love it. Just sort of, it's never going to get old. Watching, we say this a lot, might look like much is happening, but there is so much happening when we're doing this kind of work. It's when you're receiving it, like Aaron says, you just know that it's for the greater good, and you can go forth and live your life better because of this impetus. G'day guys, it's Ninja and Aaron. I'm just nearly karate chopped him. I was going for a bit of a namaste. I fucking nearly.
Hello.
Like I don't have sharp fingernails, mate. I would have bloody sliced you.
Yeah.
And,
bit early for kung fu, isn't it?
Jimmy, we're gonna do a little lower back money spot on Aaron. So
a little spot.
Yeah.
Just come out of nowhere.
Yeah.
So I need Ninja to fix it.
So this is what you'd receive if you come in with a bit of a niggle in your lower back. Even a big niggle, a big, long-standing...
Big old, massive chronic niggle.
Chronic lower back pain, we will fix you the same way. So I'm going to start with the sacrum. So you get taught in massage school, don't touch the sacrum, don't touch the joints. And we throw that playbook out the window. Because it's wrong.
Wherever they say don't touch, we touch first.
But it's how you touch it, how you work it, isn't it? It's the important bit.
Yes.
So we can teach you how to treat all over the body, because there's ways of navigating it all. So.
Oh, that's good.
So, and bodywork is really different, because normal massage videos or physical therapy videos, you'll see them fluffing around everywhere, moving like that, whereas we pin and hold and go deep. So it's a real point of difference. So when you receive it, there's no mistake, there's no confusion. There's just a knowing that this is beneficial, and just because of the sensations you're kind of, sensing, they kind of all align with healing and, beneficial. It's an investment in the future health of your body, movement and pain elimination. So you just sort of surrender to it, because you just kind of know that it's the business. So just kind of starting with this kind of connection on his lower back, and then...
Oh, yeah. Isn't it funny too? Every time you've had an amazing fix, it's always been just holding for so long, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's just that realisation that most people, they're nowhere near it.
Yeah.
They're nowhere near holding enough tension onto the spot to actually change the state of that soft tissue, whether it's fascia, ligament, tendon, just periosteum, that outer layer of bone. That's what we're trying to affect. But the only way to affect it is to do sustained holds on it. So people that are doing stereotypical massage, no wonder your people are coming back with the same stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, not creating change, are they?
No. And you're not doing anything different. You want to be doing different stuff.
Yeah. What's the definition of insanity?
Doing the same thing over and over again.
Expecting different results. Yeah.
Oh, that's terrific. That's it.
So straight in.
That's it.
So it's knowing these portals and being able to be effective when you're in the portal as well. So feeling where it's stuck, and just holding those spots.
Oh yes.
Get the necklace off the mic.
Oh.
Got any one-liners for us? You've learnt your judo well.
Yes. You've learnt your... I see you know your judo well. This is the man who grabbed me on the penis before. That doesn't sound good, does it?
No, maybe cut that one.
That's one of our favourite quintessential Aussie blokes, isn't it?
Yeah. Succulent Chinese meal.
Yeah, he got caught stealing Chinese meals for like a few years. He was doing it for a few years.
Yeah, he's
going
on the
all
run.
The Chinese restaurants in Brisbane, and then got busted.
Yeah.
And then delivered one of the all-time speeches that's still in Australian folklore today.
He had it saved up. He was rehearsing for each one. He knew he was going to get caught eventually.
Democracy Manifest.
Yep. What is the crime?
It's brilliant, isn't it?
Eating a succulent Chinese meal.
Oh, it's so good, Ninja.
So I'm just holding in here. That spot where all this kind of stuff cakes in there, accumulates, gets really dense, stuck. Yeah, we can be the plumber. Let's give it a little bit more.
Yeah, hook
I'm going
in.
to drop in.
Hook in. Oh, he's got it. Oh. Bill Laurie.
Bill Laurie. He's plumb.
Got him! Oh. Oh, shit.
All those guys are no longer with us, are they?
No, Bill Laurie,
Bill.
Chinese meal.
Tony Gregg and
Tony
Richie.
Gregg, Richie. Nah. Disappointing. Oh my gosh.
Just going to migrate just out a little bit.
Yep.
Laterally and onto you.
Oh. So good. You've got to experience this stuff, guys. It's hard to... You can't put into words. Oh, second money spot. Gosh. Didn't know that was going to feel like that, but that's money.
Yep. It's gold, isn't it, mate?
It's gold.
Yeah. Rich in many senses of the word,
Yes.
isn't it? It's freedom. It's liberation doing this work. And it's sort of just, I think it's an honour to be able to deliver this work and be able to see people prosper from it. So, I just love it. Just sort of, it's never going to get old. You know, watching, we say this a lot, might look like much is happening, but there is so much happening when we're doing this kind of work. It's when you're receiving it, like Aaron says, you just know that it's for the greater good. And yeah, you can go forth and live your life better because of this impetus. So...
Impetus.
Impetus.
It's your word of the month, isn't it?
It is. I'm going to give it a run every video, I reckon.
Don't just use it on one.
No, can't waste it. Thesaurus. Get my thesaurus out.
Oh.
I reckon I'm nearly done with you, mate. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, that's terrific, bro.
Uh,
If you have time, do you reckon just a bit of a same side QL? Show them
This
how
one?
Ninja does that. Yeah.
On here?
On the course, yeah.
Yeah, all right.
That'd be nice.
So a bit of a karate chop under like this. And then we're going to go like that.
Oh, yes.
So it's creating the space. Aaron's only got a little space. So he's got very little gap between his ribs and his hips. So we kind of give him a bit of shit about that. So
Ninja needs to
I said, I'll get my little finger in there. Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
So I just go into the middle of it first, and then I'm going to bear into the
Oh, yes.
hip a little bit, or I can kind of go under the hip,
Oh,
under the
that's
ribs
good.
a little bit too. So we've kind of got to do both. But we're just trying to create the space, and that's that. Just that global kind of work for a start, not really trying to be specific. It just sort of opens that space, and then we get a bit more specific about where it's stuck.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, create the space. You know, people got these, hip hikes and things like that. So this is short in here in the QL, so that kind of pulls the hip up a bit, a bit lopsided, so we can kind of encourage this muscle to lengthen out, and their posture goes back into balance, and their muscles get used in the right sequences and things like that, and not stress put onto one side more than the other, and having a zigzag effect up through the body because all the different forces are not through the right kind of channels, the way it was engineered. So yeah, I can hook in there a bit more now. How's that feel?
Yeah, I feel like you could go 100% in there, man. Push across to his spine.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
Like that.
good. Fucking terrific. That is terrific.
Yeah.
That's right where I've needed it, man.
But
Is that a hundo? That's
that's pretty good.
fucking hell, you can go hard in there, eh? I didn't realise.
Yeah.
Oh,
But yeah, it just takes time to get
grateful.
that permission. So we had to do all the surface work first to get all those muscles on the surface to kind of melt, and then you can kind of hit right into those origins.
Oh, this is amazing.
Give it curry.
Give it your best.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I'm very
Little
grateful.
wiggles.
Very grateful. Oh.
Little angle change there.
Oh.
We'll go another one.
Oh, yes. Oh, my God.
Corkscrew.
Yep.
It's one of your favourite moves, isn't it?
Yeah, corkscrew.
Yeah.
The friction picker. Friction picker upper.
Yeah.
Ah.
You don't see the corkscrew that much anymore, do we? All the bottles are twist tops.
Oh, yeah.
Back in my day, we had to open up with corks.
The old school
corkscrew.
way.
Yeah.
Bit of theatrics at the dinner party here.
Yep.
Don't fuck it up. You don't want it. Oh.
All right.
Thank you, Ninja.
There's a bonus QL for you guys.
Oh, marvellous. Marvellous.
He's right. He's going to go out and run now.
We're going to run at 1, aren't we?
Yep.
We ride at dawn.
Yep. Done.